我们俩划着船儿彩虹里呀彩虹里，
的呀的郎有喜，
的呀呀的没有情。
Hi, today I want to show you how to run infinite talk with multiple speakers or singers using video to video. I've already done another video for image to video. Let me show you what's the problem I had with image to video. I started with the image here generated with Nano Banana. Of course, I need to crop it to make the face a little bit larger. And this is my video at the end.
我们俩划着船儿彩虹里。
You can see the background is not moving at all. So paddling the boat and is not going forward or it's not even swaying.
呀彩虹里，
的呀的郎有喜，
的呀呀的没有情。
So in that case, I was thinking I need to create a video first, which make the boat going forward. In other words, the background is zooming out. Then I use the image here and ask Nano Banana to make the boat moving forward and basically zooming out the background without make the subject smaller. But somehow it couldn't get it right. Every time it zoomed out and the subject here will be smaller. That's not what I want. At the end, I gave up and I created a separate background image like this. Then I use Skim to crop it, make two different images like here. This is one of zooming in and this is the one zooming out. Then I asked Nano Banana to put this to the background, replace it, and it's doing quite well here. So without changing the foreground here. Then I use these two images to run with the when first and last image. I've done another video for that as well. I can show you the workflow here. So this is the workflow. I'm not going into the details. You can check out my previous when 2.2 first last image to video. So I use this one here, first image, last image, and generated the video. For the lip sync of Infinite Talk, I need to crop it to make the face larger. So this is the cropping the image. So this is the first and last frame video. They are paddling the boat and you can see it's moving a little bit, although the background is not really zooming out a lot, but still better than a static background. Now we got the video and we just need to open the workflow. You can go to browse template here and search for Infinite Talk. This one is video to video. So you can use this here. Since I have modified a lot, I'm not going through each single detail here, what I have changed. I just load my workflow. And I also will make my workflow available so you can either you modify the existing one or use my one. So this is my workflow here. Similar to the previous one with the image to video, I use 3 audio tracks here. This is a female singer and this is a male singer. And because the female is on the left hand side and therefore the female is audio 1 and the male is audio 2. The audio are separated using Audacity. So this one is the male one. Basically, I remove the part of the female singing and export this as a boy file and this is a girl file. So if you look at this here, I'm using different file here. This is the girl one, this is the boy one, and also set the offset here to start it from this point here. They have the same offset here and you can also preview here. So this one is the girl. It starts later.
这样的狼有
At the bottom here, I also use one with the full track here without deleting anything, and this one will go straight to the audio, set input audio, and you can find it here. I feed this audio back to the video. I also got something here. This is the resolution I'm using. This is a height 380 and 15 seconds, 16 frame rate. You can change according to your need. So, and the video here, this is the video I put in. And of course, you need a prompt as well. It's not that important because we are running video to video. Okay, let's try it. Okay, now it's done. Let's have a look how long did it take. A little bit over 600 seconds, so it's 10 minutes. That's not too bad on my 8 gig of VRAM. Now let's check the result.
我们俩划着船儿彩虹里呀，彩虹里。
这样的狼游戏，
的呀呀的没有情。
I think the lip sync is not bad, so at least the background is now moving. I'm quite happy with that. I found the image quality of video to video is a little bit lower than image to video. Let's compare this one. This is the first and last frame to video output. Let's play them side by side and compare how they look. This one is a little bit brighter, and I think this is clearer on my face here.
我们俩划着船儿彩虹里呀，彩虹里。
这样的狼游戏。
的呀呀的没有情。
Okay, you can see it's obviously better. I would only use video to video when I need to control the background movement. That's all about the Infinity Talk multiple speakers video to video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
我们俩划着船儿彩虹里呀，彩虹里。
这样的狼游戏，
的呀呀的没有情。
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.